everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we're going to be doing a video called What's in My Bag. So if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to your girl, and let's get into this video. So I already told you guys what this video is going to be about. We're going to be seeing what's in my bag. This is my bag. So I mean, mostly this is my work bag, but I pretty much use it for everything else still because it's a laptop bag, so I like to make sure I have my laptop. But if I have my laptop, then I need to make sure I have everything else in it. So yeah, let's go through this bad boy. First things first, we have a couple pens and pencils, which because I work with kids, I need a pencil just in case I need to break something down for them. Then pens, I just always have a pen because somebody always ends up needing a pen in case I need to write something down or somebody else needs to write something down. Pens are just a necessity. So if you don't have a pen in your purse, like really, what are you doing? Then let's see, I got some highlighters. Like again, I work with kids in case I need something to stand out to them, or even for my own personal note-taking. Got highlighters, you know, a couple colors. So I guess we're just gonna see how I'm feeling at that time. But yeah, I have those. I have sunglasses because it be sunny out here and your girl be needing to have some sunglasses, you know, some shades, okay, because the sun really do be hitting out here. So I always gotta have a pair of sunglasses, and those are my favorites. Those are my go-to, so I just usually probably keep those in here. Let's see, my keys, my headphones. I can't go nowhere without my headphones because I'm always talking to somebody most of the time, and because I like listening to music and tuning people out. Not to be rude, I just don't really care about what other people are doing around me. I'm kind of really good at minding my business, so those 4 keys, obviously gotta get in and get out. Got my little, what is this? Oh, okay, so I got hand sanitizer and sanitizing wipe. I don't know, I'm just like a clean freak, literally. Not only working with kids, but just with adults and touching stuff. Like, if you need to clean your hands, oof. Almost dropped this. But yeah, you've been needing to clean your hands, you know, after COVID. Safety first. Let me see what else is in here. So that's it for the front. Okay, I got my wallet, which she's cute. Okay, obviously you just need a wallet. It's like a necessity. So I'll make cards in case I need to grab a coffee or some food or something. Go into my secret pocket here. Got a tampon because I'm a girl and I need that sometimes. And let's see here, this. Okay, so I don't even know what this is called. Honestly, this is like, I think I'm just gonna call it an adapter, but like my little HDMI thing for my laptop, because it only takes, I don't know what these are called, maybe like the C cord or whatever. But yeah, so I need this because it has USB slots in there, and it also has a card for the SD card for like the camera card when I'm editing. And then it has another one, but I don't know what that's for and I don't use it, but yeah. And then the HDMI part, I do use that actually a lot because when I take my laptop to work and I need to put something on the screen for the kiddos, I need to use it. You can also use it to hook the laptop up to your TV, but I usually never do that. I've probably done it like once. It's usually not a necessity for me because most of the stuff that I need to put on my TV, like, is already on it. So it's a smart TV. But yeah, this is like life or death for my laptop and me, and editing and working and doing everything that I need to do. So yeah, we carry that around. I got another USB thingamabob. This is where I'll be putting all my videos, you know. I put all my videos and my extra pictures on these just so I don't take up all the space of my laptop because I don't like to do that. So now I got my agenda. Because again, I don't know, I'm just a very organizational, neat freak, and I need to write in it every day and make sure that I'm doing everything that I'm supposed to be doing. People's birthdays are in here. My events I need to do, I carry it around when I'm outside of my house in case something comes up and I need to put it down. And then, like, I know that like phones and laptops could replace this, but it just helps that I still need to do that old school way of just writing things down for real. So this comes in handy, and I do remember stuff, and plus stuff comes up on the fly that I do need to write down. This has actually helped me a lot. Okay, agenda. Boom. So next I got my charger. So this is my laptop charger. I usually have my phone charger in here, but I'm using it right now, so it's not in here, but it's usually in here. Well, I'm about to get another charger because my charger broke, so womp, womp, womp. Yeah, I have to buy a new charger, and then I'm gonna put that charger, so I'll have 2 chargers, one for home and then one for like when I'm out, like the fast charger. Anyway, after that, my handy dandy laptop, my baby, y'all. This is my baby. Oh my gosh, I love my laptop. I really do. I really do. It doesn't have everything in here, but this is how I do my editing. This is where I show the kiddos. I don't know. I used to not be like that Apple person, but I am with my little baby here. So it's my sweetheart. It's the whole reason I even bought this little bag, because honestly, I could be fine without it, but I wanted to protect my baby. So yeah. I'm gonna put this back in here actually, because I'm not using it right now, but my laptop is life. Okay, I got some stuff for you in the back of the bag now. I'm almost done, I promise y'all. Y'all have to like, I don't know, y'all have to like be easy on me because I had a lot of coffee, so I don't know if I'm talking real fast. I'm trying not to. I'm actually really trying hard to like slow myself down, but that's why if I'm talking fast, that's why. Too much freaking coffee for your girl today. But we almost done, like I said. Okay, what's this? Oh, okay, my to-go disinfecting wipes. Let me just open. I have another, let me just explain myself, because in the car I also have like a disinfectant to go, like Lysol spray, and then I also have Febreze. So I usually keep all those things in my bag, but I must have taken a different bag out and put it in there. But I don't like going to sit in public somewhere and then, not to call the other person that sat there before me dirty or anything, but I don't like sitting in their like previous situation and their previous germs. So I always have these to wipe it down, wipe the stuff down for the kiddos to put stuff on. I be disinfecting a whole bunch of like, listen, I get it done. The Febreze thing, I don't like funky areas either, so like you never know if somebody's gonna pass gas or something. I just need to like re-lighten up the room a little bit so I can smell fresh and actually be fresh, and there's less germs. Could I say that I would have got this stuff without COVID? Probably not. But after COVID, yes. Spray, wipes, hand sanitizer, I have it all. That's not my only hand sanitizer, it's almost gone, but I have like little hand sanitizer keychains. I think my grandma got them or my dad gave them to me. Can't remember who gave them to me, but I have like 5 of those sitting somewhere. If I run out, I will definitely go buy them. They're like $1 at Target, I think. So yeah, I have to have that stuff. Okay, we got some lotion. This is almost gone and it's really big. Usually I wouldn't have lotion this big, but it's almost gone and it's flat. So that's why I keep it in here. Once it is actually gone, then I'm gonna buy a new one, and it'll be a smaller actual to-go one since they make those. But I wash my hands a lot, so I can't be having my hands be all ashy and stuff. And then one time I went to work, or I went out. Nah, this happened a couple times, not one time. I have gone out and my freaking ankles were ashy. So do you think I'm about to be out there with ashy ankles and ashy knuckles? That's not cute. So no, so I need my little lotions everywhere I go. Usually also I have a to-go deodorant, which just remind me I need to go get that. Hold on, because that's gonna stay in my bag. Okay, so these are the last things, I promise. They're usually in my bag, but I've been switching bags like lately to have my like smaller ones to go out with and stuff. But usually this little travel deodorant, 0% aluminum, you know, kind of, this is the deodorant I like. This is my small one, and I usually have it in my bag. I also got this from Target. If you need many products, to-go products, Target has a whole section for you. So yes, go to Target. Then my little perfume, this one, what is this one? This one is the Prada one. This is a little to-go one. Ulta's your best friend for these. They're like $20 or $30, I think, for the little to-go ones. So if you cannot afford the big ones, the big boys, which be like $100 and up, then get your little to-go one and just, I don't know. They have like cheaper versions of these too, like not cheaper versions of this Prada one, but you can get other ones that are to go and they're less expensive. So yeah, I keep these in my bag. I like smelling good. I don't know, it's been real hot outside, so this little to go, I'm not ever just gonna be outside smelling funky. Like, that's just my thing. So I gotta have extra smell goods. So whoever be walking into any public bathroom after me, I don't disappoint. I gotta hook you up because I don't like going in there and it smells funky. So yeah, and that is everything that's in my bag, you guys. Now I gotta put all that stuff back in this bag. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about this video. Let me know what things that you keep in your bag. Leave that in the comment section. Go ahead and like this video for your girl, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And I'm gonna see you on the next video. Okay, bye.